Damn, Burnsy, you made a hell of a mess out here in the yard.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Pigpen.
Got the bench seat out. Not too bad. Got the carpet out. It's just worn and torn and yeah, dirty, faded. Maybe a little mold. Who knows?
A little funky.
Got the rubber mat from underneath it, which is just soaked.
Yeah, that was soaking wet.
Soaked and just brittle, falling apart as we touched it. So got that all out. Some stoked. What else we got? Oh, kind of got the interior cleaned up, wiped down a little bit.
I'm coming.
No time. It's not too bad.
Wow. That's pretty damn good, sir.
Yeah.
Look at that. I think Ken's going to be happy with this.
I think he's going to be stoked. So we do need to ask him if he wants us to kind of wire that up, clean it up, maybe put a little primer.
A little rust encapsulator action.
Yeah, just a little bit. You know, it's not through. There's a tiny little hole.
I see the tiny little hole.
Not bad, though.
Hold on. Enhance. Yeah, you can see the tiny little hole.
Yeah.
Right in the center, right there. Okay.
Not too bad.
No.
But otherwise, yeah. I'm going to take the rest of the panels towards the back.
We had discussed this dash pad. What do you want to do with that, Ken? While we have everything coming out, might as well do that. And before we put new carpet in, we do want to do the brake booster and all of that stuff.
Yeah.
Which,
actually,
everything, the brake booster showed up today.
Oh, but the master cylinder's not here?
Master and front rear disc kits should be here early next week.
Okay.
If not tomorrow, early next week.
Oh, that'd be nice. Maybe by next Wednesday I can start working on that, then.
Yeah, we'll get you a day on the lift and get you just going to town.
Yes, sir.
Because we got to do all the suspension, too. So it's probably going to have 2 full days on the lift and we just all go nuts on it.
Yeah, but that'd be good.
Get it in, out, done. Get that part handled.
Yeah.
Busy, busy.
But yeah, that's kind of it for this thing for the day.
Yeah.
Gotta.
So, Ken, shoot me a text. Let me know what you think of that, buddy. And then for the rest of it's looking really nice.
Yeah, I could probably scrub it one more time in the back here, but that's. Otherwise, that's pretty much it. Besides, let us know what you want us to do with the driver's side floorboard.
Yeah, but it's not that bad. I'm very impressed.
No, just a quick wire brush. Vacuum it all out. Maybe one more wipe down and.
A little spritzy, and away we go.
Yep.
And then we can test fit the carpet. But like I said, I don't want to put the carpet in. I don't want to finalize the carpet until we get done with all the brakes and all that. No.
Sounds good to me.
So when you move this tonight, you're gonna need an egg crate, but we'll figure it out.
Might put one of the stools in here.
Or maybe find a lawn chair.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Maybe we got some lawn chairs.
Oh yeah, there's one.
Oh yeah.
Hold on. Wait a second.
Oh wait.
Let's see if this works.
Are we gonna do custom interior?
Oh, custom interior, redneck interior. Here we go.
Here we are.
Woo!
Here we go.
Let's see. Where did we put that?
It's right next to my desk, I think. Do we have enough stuff going on here? Jeez. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
This is the one I found. I know which ones you're talking. Oh, nope.
The red foldy one? That one's easier.
Not.
Come on, man.
I'm coming.
Oh, that works too, I guess. Oh, Jesus. That one's out of the trailer.
Might be a little too tall.
Too tall, Jones. Let's see. Nah, you can figure that out. You're gonna flip the throttle and crash into shit, but it'll be fine.
I'm gonna make it. Boy.
It might be too heavy for the chair, but can you reach the pedals?
Nope.
Oh, well, at least we tried.
All right, that's it. I'm out.
Right, enough shenanigans. Did you just call me because you're trapped in the car?
Yeah, I don't have a door handle. And I rolled up the windows like a good boy. That'll be it. Oh, it's hot in here. Yes, there's a box of fucking power steering fluid underneath my ass. That was the best I could do.
It's ass power steering fluid.
Oh, God.
All right, now you gotta grab the power steering fluid because,
Yeah.
it doesn't belong in there.
Nope. But hey, it worked good as a Little seat. Oh, hold on.
Shit.
Keys.
Oh yeah. Okay.
All right.
Done.